Hello and welcome to measurement vignette number 17 from Duncan Cartledge Online. In this short presentation, the measurement of board piling using NOM2 and Civil Engineering Standard Method of Measurement 4 will be discussed and compared. NOM2 and Civil Engineering Standard Method of Measurement 4 both contain provisions for the measurement of board piling. Although the two documents are similar, they are not identical. Uniquely, when measuring board piling, whether using NOM2 or Civil Engineering Standard Method 4, it has to be quantified and described three separate ways, as listed on this page. Whereas NOM2 requires each pile of a different diameter to be kept separate, Civil Engineering Standard Method 4 groups piles into categories, albeit categories with a small range. The principal difference, however, between the two documents is that NOM2 requires that surplus spoil is to be calculated and measured separately, whereas Civil Engineering Method 4 states that the removal of surplus spoil is deemed to be included. Incidentally, cutting off the tops of piles is not included in piling, but in NOM2 Work Section 5, Excavation and Filling. Given the piling is carried out by specialist contractors, it's surprising that the two sets of rules for measuring board piling are not completely aligned. As always, for the complete picture, go to Duncan Cartledge Online.